Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kay from KTV, and today we're going to talk about building a channel on YouTube for the year of 2025. I'm going to give you all the nicks and crannies on what you should do and what I have been seeing working for me. Okay, so let's get right into it. Don't be no procrastinator. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, okay, when it comes to building a channel on YouTube is you want to focus on audience retention and engagement. What does that mean? You want to make videos that's going to force people like, comment, and share your content, because that is how things push through YouTube. Okay, your content has to be so great. It's not like other platforms. Okay, it's really different. All right, so you want to make content that's going to be engaging so that people want to like, comment, and subscribe and share, whatever that may be. You're gonna say, well, where am I gonna get some ideas from? I got you, boo. You're gonna use AI. Okay, like what? ChatGPT. You're gonna ask ChatGPT. You're gonna tell them your interests, things that you like, and have them create a list for you of things or different types of videos that you can create, right, that you can make as content, okay, to build your channel. Now, it's not going to be perfect starting out. You're going to learn and navigate and continue to redo things over as you learn how to be a content creator on YouTube. Okay, so that's the first point, kind of 1 and 2. Okay, second, once you've learned and figured out what type of videos you want to make, okay, the second thing you want to do is you want to use YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts is going to help you grow your channel. Okay, now I would say when you do YouTube Shorts, what have been working for me are really short videos. Okay, I did one recently today. It was only like 5 seconds, and within an hour I had 500 or almost 500 views. Okay, and that was today. The day's not over. I don't know how many views I'm going to get on the video, but when you're a new creator, which I'm really not new, I just haven't been consistent, okay, but I am now. When you're new, it's sometimes harder to get those views, but once you get them, appreciate them, okay, and continue to do whatever it is you did to get those videos or those views over and over again. Got it. All right, the third thing you want to use, we already talked about it, is AI. Okay, you want to use that to help you, and AI can generate a lot of different things for you, so we already covered that. You want to stay on trends. Okay, there are different trends. As you look through the YouTube, you will see different things, and when you go through your analytics on using the app, the YouTube Studio, if you scroll down, it'll show you like different creators and things that you can do, and it'll show you trends that you can hop on if you are interested in. That's another way you grow your channel. Okay, so use the trends, look at different things, and you want to use trending sounds on your shorts as well, as when you're making your videos, because it will also help push your video through. Okay, number 5 is the most important thing I'm going to say that you want to make sure that you do. Learn how to navigate it. You want to use search engine optimization in your descriptions. You want to make sure that you can have your videos where it's going to push your videos through. Okay, what does that mean? Somebody type in the title for a video, you want to be up in that top 10 that get pulled up. Now that can be kind of hard because you're going to be new on YouTube, but make your stamp. Okay, mark your way through. That's what you do. Okay, the last thing that you want to do that I actually was perfect at doing on TikTok. Okay, I wish I could show all my videos, but that's another conversation for another day. You want to know, I used to be on TikTok. I was banned. You can watch a video that's on my channel when I talk about all of that particular things. I had 10,000 followers over there. I had brands, all those different things. I'm redoing everything over. We'll talk about that later. Okay, but you want to build a strong brand, whatever that may be. I would say start with your name, whoever you are. I like to use K. That's part of my name from KTV, and I use that to build my brand for who I am. It's all about me and my family occasionally, time to time, if I want to post them on my channel. But you want to build your brand. If you want to work and collab with other brands or people in general just doing particular things through affiliated marketing and all of those things, start building your brand. Okay, and you want to also make you a marketing kit. We'll talk about that later. I have one already, but if you don't have one of those as a new particular YouTuber, make you one if your goal is to work with brands. Okay, a lot of times our goal is to work with brands and to get views and subscribers and all those things, but if your main focus is to work with brands, build you a media kit. Okay, it's what you want to do. I said marketing kit, but it's a media kit. Build your media kit. If you don't know, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, also tell me if you need assistance with media kit, or if you want me to do a video on media kits and what that looks like, I will show you, right? But if you have any questions, guys, let me know. Like I always say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Toodles!